Good day sa lahat na nakikinig. This is Echo Station for the love that keeps echoing in your heart. This one's for the hearts that still remember, the minds that overthink, and the souls that still holding on kahit wala nang pinanghahawakan. Charot lang! Sometimes, love doesn't leave even if the person did. That's Multo by Cup of Joe. Hindi mo na siya kasama, pero parang may presensya pa rin na di mo maiwasan. Parang multo, hindi mo nakikita, pero lagi mo nararamdaman.
Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya, tinatalo mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, hapos mo ay ramdam pa rin sa dilim.
Grabe no? Some memories really stay. Kahit na hindi na dapat, kahit masakit na.
And then comes the realization. Ikaw na lang may hawak, ikaw na lang lumalaban. That's Oceans and Engines by Nikki. Sometimes, love doesn't end with a fight. It ends with a silence.
But I'm letting go. I'm giving love a ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song.
Multo, Ocean and Engines, hindi lang sila kanta. They're pieces of us. So if you're holding on to something na matagal lang wala, let the music speak for you. Again, this is Echo Station for the love that keeps echoing in your heart.